Getting the right reference photograph is really important when you're an artist. Free reference sites like Unsplash, Pexels or Pixabay are a really good way to find photographs to use, but there's a very good chance that the image that you found will already have been drawn by another artist. If you're an artist that creates greetings cards, original artworks or prints for sale, the chances are you'll want to draw something that hasn't already been drawn before, so that you've got something a little bit different to offer. If you struggle to find photographs that haven't been drawn before, keep watching, because in the rest of the video I'm going to share a little secret as to how you can get more from those free sites and get even more reference material. Okay, so go to either Pixabay or Pexels. I'm going to go to Pixabay. Let's search for dogs. Let's type dog into the search bar, but rather than searching for images, let's search for videos instead. Just like when you search for images, you'll see a wide selection of videos that are all dog related. Have a scroll through, see if a video catches your eye, and if it does, click onto it. I quite like this wolf video, so I'm going to start to play the video. It'll probably only be a few seconds long, but that's okay. Watch the video and see if there's a pose within that video that you think would make a good composition for a drawing. I quite like this angle of the wolf. That'll make quite a nice reference to draw from. Once you know that there's a pose within the video that you like, download the video in its highest format. Depending on the website, you may need an account to do this. Once you've downloaded the video, go to your video player, either in your phone, your iPad, your laptop, or your computer, and play your video back to the same position that you decided that you'd like to be your reference photograph. When you've reached the pose that you want from the animal, press pause, and from there you can screenshot the video to create a static reference photograph. Once I have the screenshot of the wolf, I'll add the photograph into photo editing software on my computer to see if I can make any adjustments for the better. Here I applied the auto contrast to the image, which created a little more depth and made the photograph a stronger reference image to draw from. You should have photo editing software on your phone, your iPad, your laptop, or your computer, so you'll be able to play with the photograph until you're happy with it. And there you have it, a reference photograph that you can use again and again until your drawing is finished. One thing to note is that capturing a photograph from a video in this way won't be of the highest quality for printing your reference photograph out. So it's going to be of most use to you if you like to refer to a digital reference photograph. Okay, really hope that this video has been useful, and I'll see you next time. Bye for now.